Hey friends, ZenKahuna here with round number 4. Kettlebells this time. So we're going to do a sequence, the Buffalothief and I, we're going to do the sequence for my 71st birthday that involves 3 of my favorite basic moves. So on round the body pass, we're going to do that. That just gets us, familiar with the kettlebell. Then we're going to do a figure 8 to a hold with a flip and a press. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and do a figure 8 to a hold, reverse the arc, clean, and then do a snatch. Then we'll do a hand shift and do the other side. So we're just going to do a few reps of each, because remember what we're showing you today, just some highlights, but do as many reps as you want to do. Focus on your form always and pay attention to how you are today. Let's do it. Okay, so round the body pass. I remember Jeff Martone talking about when you're doing hand-to-hand stuff, that, quick feet are happy feet. Yeah. Dropping kettlebells on the foot, not approved. And then we'll reverse it. And then we're going to put it down. Okay, here we go. So, round the body pass, figure 8 to a hold, flip and press. Then down, figure 8, flip and press. This is one of my favorite moves.
It's very cool.
This is our last one. Put it down, shake it out. Okay, so this one, we do our figure 8 to a hold and then reverse the arc and then back up here and ready for our snatch. So let's do a round the body pass once, through the legs, to hold, reverse the arc, clean, snatch. Then hand shift, reverse the arc, and snatch. Hand shift,
and put it down. So,
do as many reps as you like of that, or you can do a few reps of each one and then start over again. So you can do it as a ladder. There's lots of ways you can convert this into slightly different variations for more impact. Enjoy.